how to create Gamepass in Please Donate Roblox. So if you want to create a Gamepass in Please Donate Roblox, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to search for Roblox. After searching, go with www.roblox.com. Now, once you're here, make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with Create, which is on the upper left, and it will take you to the Create section. You will have create.roblox.com, which is your creator hub. Once you're under your creator hub, now from here on the left side, you need to go with Creations. And here you will have My Experiences. So you will have a place right here. You just need to simply click on your experience. If you don't have an experience, you can go and create your Now, once you have your experience here on the left side, you will have a bunch of options. You need to scroll down, and here you will have Passes option under Monetization. So click on Passes, and here you will have Create a Pass. So as you can see that I've already created these passes. Now if you want to create a game pass, then you just need to simply click on Create a Pass, and after that here you need to upload an image. You can upload it from your laptop or your PC, or you can go it as it is. And now you need to enter the name. So give a name to your pass, and after that enter some description. You can go with any description, like this is this and this and everything like that. And after entering the description, you can click on Create Pass. After creating your pass, you will have your pass right here. So now you need to enter the price of that pass. So if you want to create the price, now you need to click on the pass, and here on the left side you will have your basic settings. So you can go with the settings such as you can change the format, or you can change the name or description if you want to, and then save the changes. But if you don't want to change the basic settings, you can go with sales, which is here on the left side. Under sales, you can turn on the option of item for sale. After that, you need to enter the price in Robux. For example, I'll go with 50 or 100, and after that go with save changes, and that's it. Now if you click on your pass, which is right here, you will have your pass. You can go with the three dots, which is on the upper right, and then you can copy the asset ID or open in a new tab, or you can also copy the URL. Now this is the item. You can send this item to your friend or on your chat, and after sending, now if the other person buys this, then you will receive the Robux on your Roblox. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.